Alright guys, what is up? Today we are working on my buddy Kundo's WRX. It's a 2016 and we're basically going from stock to stage 1. We're going to unbox everything and then show you how to do it. Alright guys, this is the box that came from Cobb. Basically has everything we need. Alright guys, in this unboxing we have the intake pipe. That's probably one of the first pieces of the puzzle. I'm going to start unboxing this now. Guess you want me to save the wrapping, right?
Yep, and there it is.
Dude, that's light too, oh my gosh. Alright guys, there's that intake pipe. Let's see if we can get it to focus on that. Dude, that is like so nice, that texture.
Good man.
Heck yeah.
We got the Cobb Accessport here.
Probably one of the most essential pieces,
Yeah,
honestly.
of course. Open up the box and you got case.
Yeah, I can even... There we go. Heck yes.
And there it is.
Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. Yep, perfect. And guys, that basically tunes the car, tells it what to do with all the new components, so really probably the most important part of the whole thing. Alright guys, we have this intake box cover, I believe it is, and everything is like really high quality in this kit. Alright guys, first we're going to take off this cover right here, or I guess it's like a duct for the
shark fin.
Yeah, to try to bring in all the cold air to the intake. So we're going to take that off first so we can get this exposed. Alright, once you guys get the two clips off, you can just pull that whole duct off, and then there's these two bolts right there. There's those two bolts right there that you have to take off. And then you've got one right down there. Okay. Alright, I think that might be the last bolt, you guys. The one down there is now taken out, so let's see. And there it is. Alright guys, now we have the intake exposed. Basically there's probably a pipe down there with a hose clamp. We'll have to get under the car. See, it's right there. This is the intake hose. So we're probably going to be taking that off and then replacing it with the upgraded one. Alright you guys, this is the intake pulled out. So this part right here connects like to the engine, and then it just of course goes up and then bends, and the filter sticks up like that. So now all we have to do is just pull the sensor right there with two fill-ups and then put the new piece in. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the new intake. It's connected right there to the engine. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if we can get some light. Yeah, right there, connected to the engine. And then it goes at this weird little 45-degree angle. And then it goes to the intake pipe. And then the intake pipe goes up to the filter. So there's that filter, and then it runs down, pipe comes back down, and as you can see there's that sensor right there. Basically the sensor's just two bolts, nothing too crazy. Guys, this is what it looks like from the engine bay. So we have the OEM duct right here, and then it brings air into the box. So basically there's a top cover right here that's held on by a bolt there, and then two on the back right there. So basically the air filter is inside here. Alright guys, so last night we were working on my buddy Kundo's WRX, as you guys know. And so basically we put the new intake on from Cobb. It's a big SF intake. And then we installed the Cobb Accessport, and the Cobb Accessport basically allows us to tune the car. So we tuned it for the proper stage 1 tune from Cobb, which is already loaded on the Accessport. And then we went to take it for a drive to do a few pulls to make sure everything was working good. Alright, if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, give me a comment, subscribe. I definitely love the support. I'm trying to do daily videos now, so definitely hit that like button, and I will catch you guys next time.